Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on popular pins on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark on how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on saved, then it's going to take you to this window or your profile. Then you go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window and you just click here on notifications, then you come to a notifications window and you just click here on by my email, then you come to email notifications and you just go down, then you come here to pin basics, then you come here to pull popular pins, then you just click here and like you see this color show for us, that's mean popular pins, it's turned on now. So that's all you have to turn on this mark. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you in next video.